Hello guys, welcome to my another Blender tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna quickly set up a volumetric light. And to get started, I'm gonna scale up this cube, and the scale might depend on the scale of your scene, so I think this big would be enough. So I can select the cube and go to the shading workspace and get rid of the original shader we got and add a principled volume shader and connect it to volume, not the surface. And you can reduce the density a little bit. And before I add another spotlight, make sure you darken out the environment. And let's go to the render view and add a spotlight. We don't see anything going on because the intensity of the light is too weak. So let's increase the power of the light. Now it's working. So that is it for this tutorial.